Hey folks, I'm here to show you another flower tutorial. Here's one, this little scrunched up rose looking flower. Very, very easy to do. So let's get started. You need 8 scalloped circles and all the same size. And I'm going to take, I have water in one of these little misters, and you need to wet them just a little bit to make them damp, so that they're pretty pliable. So we're going to take each one and we're just going to scrunch them up as tight as we can scrunch them. Really, really tight. And you do that for every single one. The water makes them a little bit easier to scrunch up. It's really tiny. And then in the end, when the flower's all completed and the water dries, it makes the paper really hard again, and the flower keeps its shape really well. So after you've scrunched all 8 circles, you're going to open them all right back up. So here we go, just opening them all back up. Gently, because your paper is wet, you don't want to rip it. It's a little softer than usual. You don't need to flatten them out completely, but you want them open all the way. And we're going to stack them up, just like that. And you can modify this, make it as large as you want or small. You could probably even glue a few of them together, make a large pom-pom type ball. That would be pretty cool. I might have to try that myself. Oops, let's make sure that that one's in the middle. If you do rip it, it's not like a huge deal because you're going to be scrunching them again, and as you can see, you wouldn't notice a rip in there anyway. So just get them all flat. Alright, and once they're all flat, stack them up, kind of make sure they're all together like that, and right in the center you want to make a hole. Pick them up, don't stab through your finger, make a nice big hole, and then I use my brad and stick that through, and that's going to hold them all together while we scrunch again. But now we're going to take the first layer and we're going to scrunch that up as tight as we can get it. Just like this, real tight. And then we take the next layer and we scrunch that up around the first one. And then the next layer, and the next layer, and the next layer, all the way through until your whole flower is scrunched up. Got to move while the, I mean, you don't have to be super fast, but you want to do it while the paper's still damp. Because once it gets dried out, it gets a little bit harder. So here we go, almost done. And one more. And then I like to scrunch it real tight in my fist. So now we got this ball, and then we're just going to slowly pull at it all the way around. We open it up as far as we want it to be. And there we go. There's a little flower. When it dries out, it'll get real hard. This one's really hard. So, and it'll hold its shape. It won't flatten out or anything like that for you. So, there you go. Thanks for watching.